Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So finally getting our reversal. The divergence is finally held. Again, this was an aggressive entry. This was pretty nice though, with a little run up of return to about the 50% level and then moving back through. So at this point on the run up, you could do your projection. 66.43 was the next major level, just closing below that, but spiking back to the 37.5% gain level before dropping back to that projection. So now we can bring this up. On a pullback, watch for major support coming in now about 6,500 to 6,550. That's going to be the area you're going to want. If we do pull back, you're going to want to watch for a pullback and then a move back up. You really don't want it to close below that level, else this could be a very short-lived correction. Next push up, 68.15, major level those coming in about 68.93, 6,900, right near this prior resistance and the declining 50. Let's check in on the daily. Really need to watch for that. And daily chart, let me zoom in for everyone. So that's coming up right at this prior candle bodies and the declining 8. So really what about, I'd call it about 68.70 to 6,900. That's going to be your next major area you don't want to ignore to move up stops, because we're going to have to judge the reaction once we get to the 8. Because if we can't get a strong move through the 8, then, we'll have to watch for a possible bigger pullback. Not saying it will necessarily go to new lows, but we'll have to see where it pulls back to. Because watch what after the last sell-off, see reaction at the 8. Reaction at the 8. Yeah, poked into it, but it took, look at all the times it took to get in the 8, and then it couldn't get above the 21, and then we collapsed down. So that's why I don't want anyone to ignore that level. Switching over to Ethereum, I don't know if anybody spotted this, but if you've been watching our channel for a while, you probably should have. Really nice double bottom pattern. Had to be triggered. It had to be traded on the shorter term charts, but we had 513, 522, and then the final target of 531, which takes us close to the top of this resistance again. It's already hit the 513 and 522. Still watching for 531 coming in with a declining 50. Hope some people spotted that, because that could have given you at least an entry, but do not just hold this. Raise your stops. Definitely raise your stops if you did any buying down here, or if you're trading this double bottom pattern. Key support now coming in at this little ledge about 497. I'm going to say 500 because it's so close. 500 to about 494 is where we don't want to see it close back below, else then it will close back in the body of the doubles, and we do not. That's not a good, strong positive. Let's switch over to that daily chart. Daily chart, let's see. Okay. Nice, really nice with this double. Also, this 531.18 coming in with a declining 8 and the candle body, so that's going to be a really powerful level. So if you did do any bottom picking, I don't care what strategy you use to get in, do not ignore this 531 with the declining 8. All right, you also see an Ethereum on the last sell-off, tried to poke through the 8, poke through the 8, poke through the 8, finally got through it, got even through to 21, then collapsed back down. So this is the first level. It might not stop dead on it, but you don't want to get super greedy in here. You want to at least move up your stops in case we do react to the 8 and go lower, just as we discussed in Bitcoin. So what we have for you in Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.